What is up, YouTube? It is Shanae Cereal coming to you guys tonight with a hair tutorial. I'm not gonna keep you guys long. It's gonna be quick and easy. I just wanted to show y'all this bomb hairstyle that I came across. It's a half up, half down by Sensational. The instant. This is what it looks like. I was searching YouTube one day looking for a quick and easy hairstyle, you know, try to save a little bit, you know, and I came across this. The page that I clicked on, they actually didn't have any, so guess where I got this from? You guessed it, Amazon. Yes, I got this off Amazon, and honestly, this is one of my favorite hairstyles. I love the half up, half down. I saw other reviews on it. They said it was really full. So, okay, here we go. I'm gonna walk y'all through how I install it. Okay, y'all. So, excuse my sink, but just to open the packaging real quick. Let's take it out. Things, I'm gonna just break that off. Got the little hair net. So this is the bottom part. Okay. Then this is the top ponytail part. Oh, I think that's the little wraparound part, you know, after you're done with the ponytail. So you got a clip. Oop. Clip. Right there. Okay. All right, let's get this show on the road. It's pretty full. Okay, so I just wanted to see how the top and the bottom would look. I'm going to go ahead and get this process started. So right here, I am just about to separate the hair at the ear. I'm going to part it all the way across. Just make sure I get a straight line, you know, all the way across. Y'all gonna have to excuse me because I'm kind of buzzed right now. But yeah, get it straight across. Yeah. Moisturize it good. It's kind of hard to see on the top of my head. I think I had the camera angle wrong, but it's okay. So yeah, I'll chop the video up just to get it all the way across. But I'm back. I'm adding some Cantu conditioner to the back. Spread it through. Make sure it get all the way around. And I'm going to put the back in a ponytail. And I'm going to leave it in the ponytail. Leave that nappy. I'm not going to detangle it or anything. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Put it in the ponytail. So now I'm going to detangle the front. Put some Cantu on my hands. Rub it all the way through. Get my detangling brush. Comb it from the ends. Start at the ends and then work my way to the root. Get it combed out, and next I'm going to blow dry it. Blow dry it all the way through. I went ahead and put the top in a ponytail after I blow dried it. Now I got the bottom half of the up down. Put the top combs in, put the bottom combs in, and adjusted the drawstring to the back to make it snug and tight. It was tight, but I noticed it wasn't fitting right. The back of my head is kind of small, y'all, so I had to put bobby pins on the side actually when I installed it. But yeah, I just wanted to see how it would look. Yeah, so I got that. part on. Now I got my wild growth oil, spreading that around before I go ahead and put the even edge gel on. I'm going to put that all around the perimeter of my edges. Go ahead and brush that in and get it nice and sleek. So yeah, that blow dry helped to get as flat as I could without putting like a pressing comb on my head or whatever. Bring my edges out so I can make my swoops. Try to make sure you brush it in really good with that edge control or whatever you use, because if you get any white, it's not going to look too good, you know. Just put some oil sheen or some type of oil on it. Get my edges out on the other side, brush it up all good. Make sure I don't have any white. I don't really like to use rubber bands that much, so it's just like an elastic free scrunchie. Excuse my pause, I don't know why I did that. Instead of just putting it into a ball, I braided it and twisted it around real quick. I was about to try to take the rubber band from the back, but no, I'm just like, no, let me just tuck it under this one, make it simple, you know. Go ahead and yeah, just make sure I pat it down, make sure everything is secure and I don't see no white. Make my swoops, my curves, so my edges can do swoops. Those are my main two spots. Like, I always take baby hairs from right there, swoop it in, boom, just like that, real smooth like. Then get the second one in. I was like, okay, girl, you kind of know what you're doing, huh? Gotta get the sideburns. Real cute, you know? Simple. Yeah, I change my hair a lot, so I don't be playing with these hairstyles. I will wear this for a day, wash it, and do something else. So, yep, get the other side together. I'm not the best at swoops. I'm not the best at this hair, but, you know, I do what I can. Yes, I am natural and raw, honey. Love all my flaws. Yeah, so I decided to leave the back just kinky and not do nothing with it. Take that out. Retighten it, put a neck strip on, lay the edges down, take the top piece, install the top comb, and it's a side comb. Make sure it's snug. Then get to wrapping that around. It has an extended wraparound piece. I think that was really thoughtful. Put a bobby pin in to secure it. I didn't want to put any product on it because I'm more than likely going to end up taking this out and washing it and redoing it very soon. I just wanted to put it in for the video's sake. Take the bottom half, unloosen the drawstring, find my placement. I actually didn't notice that I left hair out and clipped the hair down, but after I watched the video and reviewed it, I redid it and took it out. So adjust the back clips, adjust the top clips, do the drawstring. But before I did the drawstring, y'all know I forgot to take the neck strip off. So voila, and we have an up down, honey. Yes, it's so cute, lightweight. It's not heavy. It's very full, like the review said. I love the curl pattern. It's nice. Real slick. Less than an hour. So I'm gonna brush this side out. I kind of wanted to see what wave it would create. So yeah, versus this side versus that side. I kind of like the wave, so I'm gonna just brush the whole thing out. It was kind of too late anyway. I already brushed that side out. Yes, I got this off of Amazon. Everything was $27. So this is the finished look, honey. Yes. Thank you guys again for reporting to my channel, watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.